If you want to improve your business skills or perseverance or persistence to continue with your aspirations of doing business, you have to read the biographies of great businessmen in the world. Do you agree with this? Hi, this is Rampani, career growth coach, author, trainer, speaker. Today, I'm going to share with you a biography, summary of the biography, just a sketch of the biography of Mr. Jack Ma. Alibaba, the house that Jack Ma built by Duncan Clark. This is one of the most inspiring books decorated my bookshelf. I'm proud of that. I could acquire this book. And this book illustrates one of the most motivating, legendary guy, Jack Ma's life story. Right? He started very early and without much education to boast also. Most of his life is very adventurous and very few people could understand his vision and the way he worked with missionary zeal to reach his goal. Jack Ma was born on September 10th, 1964, the year of the dragon, in Hangzhou, a city 100 miles to the southwest of Shanghai. His parents named him Yan, meaning cloud. His surname Ma is the same as the Chinese word for horse. This is one of the description in a chapter about his birth. And the praise and accolades, testimonials for this book, the way it has written by Duncan Clark about the life story of Jack Ma is really enchanting, exciting, the way people praised him. Anybody who thinks the Chinese just copy or steal technology from the West should read this book and think again. Jack Ma is part Bill Gates, part Steve Jobs, part Larry Page, part Sergey Brin, and part Mark Zuckerberg, all rolled into one. Wonderful testimonial and wonderful assessment of that great legend called Jack Ma. This is by Sir Martin Sorrell, CEO of WPP. Duncan Clark gets into the heart and soul of Alibaba and its founder Jack Ma, who deftly maneuvered through the discontinuities and barriers in China to create one of the greatest companies in the world. China has thrived under the leadership of Jack Ma. This book is a must read for everyone who wants to understand the present China and the heartbeat of a great entrepreneur. Tim Draper, founder of Draper Associates, DFJ, and Draper University. One more opinion and appreciation by Ken Wilcox, Chairman Emeritus, Silicon Valley Bank. He says, this book provides excellent insight into the world of Jack Ma, perhaps the most famous of the leaders of the new economy in China. Duncan Clark is a real China old hand, unique in his knowledge of the Jack Ma generation. This book is definitely on the short list for those who wish to understand the Chinese economy today. Let us look into some of the most inspiring quotes which Jack Ma has shared in this book. And let us see, and on different quotes on Jack Ma also, which were shared by Duncan Clark in this book. Come up with an idea, make it fun, and breathe something into it which otherwise is still just an idea. That's Jack Magic, John Van der Ven, about Jack Ma. Bill Gates says, if you are one in a million in China, you are one of 1300 people. That's it. Alibaba might as well be known as 1001 mistakes. But where were three main reasons why we survived? We didn't have any money, we didn't have any technology, and we didn't have a plan. That's what Jack Ma said. Really wonderful, right? We don't start anything because we don't have money, we don't know technology, we don't have the basic knowledge of anything, we don't have even a venture, even in a basic level, right? But Jack Ma, see how he shared his experience when he wanted to start up as a businessman. The internet is like beer. The good stuff is at the bottom. Without the bubbles, the beer is flat and nobody would want to drink it. Jack Ma for you. Nobody knows the future. You can only create the future. It's really true. You cannot visualize future until you create it, what will turn out in the final round. You must have creative visualization of your future. Joe Tsai says, if you own 100% of the business that cannot operate, you own 100% of zero. Let me read again for you. If you own 100% of the business that cannot operate, you own 100% of zero. This book inspired me a lot to hang on with my futile efforts, which I feel every moment, right? To persistently, consistently hang on to my efforts, which I admire, to finish and take them to the logical conclusion. My sincere thanks to Jack Ma and Duncan Clark also for bringing out this kind of excellent book for the benefit of the aspiring entrepreneurs across the globe. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you are enjoying my summaries of the books. Thank you very much. Good luck. Take care. Have a great future ahead. Bye bye.